Today, guys, I will show you how to comment on Reddit. Just follow and watch this video till the end. So open Reddit like this, and you will find here the homepage where you can find the feed. So, for example, I want to comment on this picture. I will come here to this and click. And right now I will add my comment, click join conversation, and here your comment, click for example, this is my comment, click post. And yeah, are you sure? Are you enjoying Reddit? Yeah. And that's all, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next video.